Well, based on how much raking it looks like I need to do, it's very clearly fall, and most of you are using this time to prep your sleds for the new season. And now is a great time to go over any maintenance your sled might need, or if you're planning on doing any mods to it. Now, probably the most popular mod that everyone does to their sled is put a can on it. Now, if you've already seen my previous videos with Mrs. Bogey Wheel's sled running, you can probably already tell that it's running a trail can. I absolutely love trail cans. They're easy to install, they're lightweight, they don't necessarily add horsepower, but they add horsepower to weight ratio, just by reducing the weight. So I've got on there right now one of the main can producer cans, one of the big names. Why would I replace it?
'Cause I've got something even better.
And this is it. This is a JPR Performance can. JPR Performance is a small, relatively new company. They've put a lot of work into making a small, lightweight, good sounding can that will last. Now, a lot of other cans out there just come with high heat paint and they will rust over time. And this comes, each one of them, with a ceramic coating at no extra cost. All right, I'm gonna stop talking for a second so we can get this bad boy installed. First thing you wanna do is knock out the exhaust donut from your original can and put it in there. An extra step that's important to take, it's a good idea, you don't necessarily have to, but it's good practice. Just put a bit of maximum heat gasket maker all along the inside of your donut ring. And that way everything will stay in place, particularly if you need to take the can out and move things around. There you go, that's all you're doing. Take your old gasket, put it in. Don't press it in necessarily yet, because it'll take the shape of the angle that your tune pipe puts in it. So the Rev has this little tab to put the can over. Can't fit that in there. Oh, like a glove. Here's an interesting fact. The stock can on these sleds weighs just over 15 pounds. A Jaws Performance can, I weighed just now 7.7 pounds. MBRP trail can, close to 7, just under 7 by a little. This JPR Performance can here, 5.4 pounds. I lost over 2 pounds on this sled just by going from one trail can to the next. All right, one more spring to do here. Get this guy up and at him. Go. There we go, that's solid. Okay, let's hear this thing. It's a good sounding sled already. Yeah, the track has to be tightened a little.
You're watching Bogey Wheels.